What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. And this video of today, it's all about the Porodo gaming keyboard. So last year we checked out the gaming keyboard by Porodo, but this year we have something which is so great, and it's a brand new keyboard from Porodo, and they advanced from the last year generation of the keyboard. Now today we're gonna just have a look at it and check it out how it is, and it's a really impressive keyboard. So let's get started through the video of today. So guys, there we go. This is our bad boy in here. We're gonna just unbox it and check it out how it is. So for further ado, we're gonna just have a look at it and see how much our bad boy it is. And I'm really pumped to see this kind of bad boy and to experience how much goody it is, because to be honest, I kind of love the mechanical keyboard by Porodo, and I thought that this is my time to switch keyboard, because I've been using the Royal Clutch keyboard for almost a year now, and it's a really good keyboard. But let us just get started. So there we have it. This is our keyboard. I'm gonna keep it aside first before we unbox it. So what's inside? And you're getting a paperwork. As you can see, this is our manual in here, which is great. You can read it. And another kind of stuff, I think you're getting a cable. So this is a USB-C, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, definitely it's a USB, as some of you guys can see that it's a USB-C, and yeah, it's really impressive. So I kind of like that. So there's nothing else left in the box. Let's get started through our keyboard. Have a look at this bad boy. Whoa, that's cool. That's good one. It's a little bit minimal, to be honest. It's a really minimal keyboard, and it's quite no bigger. It's like taking a smaller area throughout the space. As you can see, this is our space here, and this is how the keyboard will rest on the table. And another kind of stuff, you can release the legs just like that. It's really smaller, and it has like a magnetic metallic, it's called the metallic magnetic frame, which is great. You can snap it, or if you don't want it, it just stays this way, which is really cool. I kind of like the vibe when it stays this way, quite not bad. And when you snap it back, you're right, you're good, and it's really dope thing. You can see, guys, how it is. You can just use it, and yeah, it feels, the red switch, it's a little bit different. Now I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Now this is the Royal Clutch keyboard. Now the difference between a Royal Clutch keyboard and a red switch, this is a little bit stealth, or it's a little bit calm. There's a clicky, but this one has more clicky. You can feel it. You can just hear it, how much those clicky they are. It's just impressive. The Royal Clutch keyboard is a little bit much great. This one, it's a little bit stealth, and through its kind of switches, it's a little bit different, to be honest. Like, it's total difference. So this is our keyboard, and you can change different types of colors, which it's really great. You can see you have different types of rainbow changing throughout the keyboard. You can see you can change throughout this one, which is great. You can change throughout this one, depending on you what you want to throughout your keyboard, which is really impressive. And you can decrease the lightning, you can increase the lightning of the RGB, which is great. And it's just amazing. It's stealth, I can say, because it's not shouting that much. It's just stealth. I kind of like the red switch. The red switch is quite not bad, and it's just impressive, to be honest. I'm speechless about it. I thought that first time it's a wireless keyboard, but this is a wired keyboard, and it's quite not bad. It's just responsive. Wired keyboard, it's dope too, because it's just Type-C, and Type-C, it's a great and amazing kind of ingredient throughout connecting throughout your cable. So let's talk about the switches right now. So I have my switches in me here, so as some of you guys can be aware, because I told you guys we're going to talk about the switch type. So I bought these switch types. These switch types, they're red switch. You can see they're just named red switch, or you can see the colors, definitely. So this one, it's blue. Now when I tap on it, it's just making a sound. You can hear, but this one doesn't make any sound. It's stealth. Now this one, it's for this keyboard. This is a red switch keyboard. Now a blue switch keyboard makes noise. That's why when you see this Royal Clutch, you can hear those kind of sound, which is really impressive. But this one is just stealth. I can say stealth because it doesn't make a lot of noise. It's just the noise, it's there because it's tapping sometimes here, but still it's a stealth. You see, when I press it, it's stealth. When I press it this way, it's just the stealth, which is great thing about this keyboard. So this keyboard is a wired one and it's really amazing. So yeah guys, I hope you saw the difference between the switches. So there's a difference between the switch type of the keyboard if you want to buy. So as you can know, the blue switch and even the red switch. So yeah, what's up about the Porodo keyboard, which it's really amazing. But this kind of keyboard, it's not wireless. I believe there's a version which it might be having Bluetooth. This one uses only the cable, which it's really good for latency, because you just don't want to be delayed, especially if you're playing game. This is really worth it. And it's a budget keyboard. It's not quite breaking your bank, it's just a budget keyboard. This keyboard, it's really amazing, to be honest. I kind of like it. It's dope, and it's like a little bit hard choice for this and this, because I kind of love the RGB keyboard. I've been staying with this keyboard for quite a while, man. It's been a while. It's almost 1 year and it's going and a half, and I have this kind of keyboard. It's really amazing. And this one too, it's just surprising me, and it's just dope. So I think I'm gonna be using this one as my daily drive, and it's gonna be really amazing. It's time for the roll clutch keyboard to take a little bit of break, so as we can use this bad boy and enjoy throughout the grooveness. So that's what's up guys. Up on the next one, let me know in the comments down below, what do you like about this keyboard? Is this keyboard getting you into vibes to grab it, or do you think the RGB keyboard has a place still in our heart? There's a difference between a wireless and the cable, and still this one uses the cable to RGB. If you prefer cable, you can continue using the cable, but it's really dope. Thank you guys for watching. Up to the next one, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim13, and a lot of you guys, you're not subscribed to the channel, and make sure that you just subscribe to your homeboy here for supporting for the movement and all of that and other kind of stuff. Take care, and up to the next one. Peace.